In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Zapdos in Cobbleverse. Now, to get Zapdos, you're going to need to find a rare structure, and Zapdos is going to spawn naturally in your Cobbleverse world in this giant tower. And the Zapdos tower can be found in Stony Shore biome, so you guys could do it obviously in survival mode, go to Stony Shore biomes and try to find it. Or if you guys have commands turned on, you could also do /locate and then structure, then Cobbleverse right over here, and then you just want to go ahead and look up Zapdos. So yep, here is Zapdos, then press on enter. It is then going to give you the coordinates to the nearest structure. So let's go ahead and teleport there. All right, so for simplicity purposes, I actually did teleport to these coordinates, but once again, you are able to do this just in vanilla Cobbleverse by exploring Stony Shore biomes, and then this is how like the Stony Shore biomes do look like, and you will be able to find a Zapdos tower right over here. But anyways, in order to actually summon Zapdos, you want to go inside the tower. Then you want to open up this chest right over here, and it is going to have something called a Thunder Feather. And then you want to place it on the altar. And as you're able to tell, Zapdos is now going to spawn in. So you can go ahead and use a Pokeball, capture it, and then from there, you are good to go. And what's really cool is that it's actually going to teleport you to the top of the tower. And if you break these blocks, then you are able to find a barrel, and this barrel is going to have a trident with a lot of OP enchantments along with some redstone and some glass as well. So that is definitely pretty cool if you do ask me. But yeah, that is how you find Zapdos in Cobbleverse.